Okay, so now I'm recording the problem, and this is the third problem. Find the equation of the tangent line to the cubic polynomial y equal x cubed at the point 1 minus 1 minus 1. So what is asking the problem? The problem is asking, you have the function y equal x cubed. What is the function y equal x cubed? The function y equal x cubed is the function that does like this. Thus is like a parabola from the positive part and is inverted parabola in the negative side. So the point minus 1 is here. Let's say that is here, and for sure when x equal minus 1, x cubed is minus 1. So this is the point, and the tangent line that is asking me is this tangent line, is this one. This one is this tangent line. So I want to find the equation of this line. This line will go up, up, and will cross the x-axis and the y-axis. So this line is a good approximation of the function near the point minus 1, 1. So when you have a business and your business is evolving in this way, like an x cube, you can model your business like the rectilinear line near the point minus 1, minus 1. Okay, let's go now to find the equation of this. So the curve is like this. The curve is y equal x cubed, is like this, okay? So what I imagine is a point Q. This is my point P. So my point P is the point minus 1, comma, minus 1. And the point Q is the point that have the coordinate x and x cubed, because it's a point that is here. So if this is x cubed. If this is x cubed. The height is x cubed. This is the point Q, so the point Q is moving. So I want to find the limit when the point Q is so next to the point P that I will find the slope. The slope is changing. You see, when it's here, the slope is like this. But when it approach, the slope will be different. When it's very, very next to the point P, the slope will do like this, like the rectilinear line. So we want to find the slope of this rectilinear line. How we do to find the slope of this rectilinear line? We use an equation, our definition of the slope. The slope is the change in y, the rise, divided by the round, delta x. What is the change in y? So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So it's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is y2? Y2 is x cubed. What is y1? Is minus 1. What is x2? x2 is x. What is x1? Is minus x1, minus 1. So the slope m is x cubed plus 1 divided by x plus 1. And now happen the same thing. When x approach minus 1, when this x approach minus 1, when the point Q approach P, the x of the point Q approach minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Division by 0 is not allowed. But minus 1 is not exactly minus 1. You are approaching minus 1. So you are at minus 0.999999. So you can find the slope by saying you are at the point minus 0.9999 to the cube plus 1 divided by minus 0.9999, which is a number that is very near to the minus 1, not cube, plus 1. And you know what it will be, this division, if you do it with your calculator? 3. Do it. It's 3. But we do it, but this is not the way we do it in mathematics. The way that we do it in mathematics is like this. X cubed plus 1 x cubed plus 1 can be factored in two terms. The term will be x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x squared plus x. I don't remember, I always lose x plus 1. X cubed minus x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, let me correct here. Yes, let's square minus x plus 1. So x cubed plus 1 is x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now, as someone said, there is a cancellation here. So this will be equal x squared. Here is a plus, so it's x squared minus x plus 1. Now, when x approach minus 1, this will be minus 1 squared minus 1 plus 1. So when x approach minus 1, this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 3. And the problem is well done now. So the slope is 3. But this is not what the problem is asking. It's asking me if the slope is 3 and the point is x1 minus 1, y1 minus 1. What is the equation of the tangent line? What is the equation of the rectilinear line that passed through the point minus 1 with a slope 3? And the equation is y equal y1 plus m that multiply x minus x1. So the equation is y equal y1, this is the x1, this is the y1, minus 1 plus m, 3, by x multiply minus x1 minus 1, close parenthesis. So if you work a little bit, this equation will be y equal minus 1 plus 3x. This is positive 1 plus 3. So it will be y equal 3x plus 2. And this is the equation, and the question is already solved. So now I